Hey there. Today I'm going to be moving some chicks into a second chicken coop where I leave them there for about 3 months or so until they get big enough to hang with the rest of the chickens. But these are the same chicks that were born on Thanksgiving this year, 2024. If you saw my previous video, I said 2005 or something. It was 2024. Anyway, these are the same chicks that were born about a month ago. And so they go from this brooder into this pen, into this coop that's got heat and everything. So here's the first one. Hey, he's a month old. I have seven total. Boop, boop, boop. 2. Okay. This one's cool looking. Whoops. 3. Four, 5. 5. 6 and 7. Ooh. So they're going to live in there for about 3 months, and then they'll join the rest of the flock. I'm going to show you the rest of the flock. Here's what I got: some buff Orpingtons, and so many Easter eggers, Wyandottes, New Hampshires, Rhode Island Reds. You can see them all. Lavender Orpingtons, those are cool. Those are the ones that are silver. There's one right here, and there's one in their coop. And this is the adult coop where they come. In about 3 months, those chicks will be living with these birds in here, and that gives me about a total of about 40 birds. Getting lots of good eggs for my friends. And here's their coop again. See the chicks in here? They got water, food, heat. It's all safe. Safe from predators, and covered up like so. And more birds. Happy birds. All right, y'all. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Love you, Mom.